Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to protect your gear, improve fuel efficiency, and add a sleek look to your truck, a truck bed cover is a must-have accessory. In today's video, we're reviewing the best truck bed covers, handpicked based on durability, ease of installation, weather resistance, and overall value. Whether you're a weekend warrior, daily hauler, or off-road enthusiast, there's a cover here to suit your lifestyle and truck model. Check the description below for the latest prices and detailed product info. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's roll, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Skexi Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed Cover. The Skexi Hard Tri-Fold tonneau cover for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 5.5 footbed is a top-tier choice for truck owners craving durability and style. Its aerospace-grade fiberglass and PP polymer honeycomb structure supports up to 450 pounds, shrugging off rain, snow, and debris with ease. The sleek aluminum finish adds a sharp, low-profile look, while the aerodynamic design boosts fuel efficiency by cutting wind drag. Installation is a snap, no drilling or tools required, thanks to clear instructions and a quick clamp system, though you'll need to remove cargo racks first. The tailgate lock ensures robust security, perfect for camping gear or work tools. Backed by a 5-year warranty and 30-day return policy, Skexi delivers peace of mind. Customers rave about its perfect fit and sturdy build, with one noting it kept cargo dry through heavy storms. Number 4. Tutel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Cover. The Tutel Hard Tri-Fold tonneau cover for the 2016 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma 5 feet 1 inch bed with OE track system is a standout choice for truck owners seeking style and function. Its aluminum frame and matte black EnduraShield polymer panels are dent, fade, and scratch resistant, staying cool even in scorching heat. Installation is a breeze, no tools or drilling required, and the cover can be removed in seconds using jaw grip clamps. The intuitive clamp system ensures secure folding or locking, while the extreme seal keeps weather out. Sleek, low profile, and hassle-free, this cover offers premium quality at a great value, perfect for protecting cargo and enhancing your Tacoma's look. Number 3. TIPTOP Soft Tri-Fold Cover Truck Bed. The TIPTOP Folding Truck Bed Cover for 2015 to 2025 Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon 5.2 footbed is a game-changer for truck owners. Crafted from dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl with a sleek black PVDF coating, this cover is built to last. Its 4 reinforced aluminum ribs ensure rock-solid stability, shrugging off rain, snow, and UV rays with ease. I love how it protects cargo from gravel and debris during off-road adventures. The low thermal conductivity keeps it shrink-resistant and durable, while the corrosion-resistant vinyl laughs in the face of acid rain. Cleaning? A breeze. Just wipe away dirt, and the PVDF coating keeps it looking brand new. Installation is straightforward, though it's not compatible with factory utility tracks or roll bars. Priced reasonably, this cover blends durability, style, and low maintenance. For truck owners seeking reliable protection with a premium edge, TIPTOP delivers the goods. Number 2. Wellmotor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Wellmotor Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover is a must-have for 2007 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra owners with a 5.8 footbed, fits multi-flex tailgate, not Carbon Pro. Its custom-fit design ensures a snug, secure cover that looks sharp with its sleek vinyl finish. Installation is a breeze, no tools needed, thanks to the user-friendly clamping system with 6 sturdy clamps. The soft roll-up mechanism makes accessing your truck bed effortless, perfect for quick loading and unloading. Built from durable vinyl and alloy steel, it stands up to harsh weather, keeping cargo safe from rain, snow, and UV rays. Plus, its aerodynamic design boosts fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, a wallet-friendly bonus. The package includes side rails, weather stripping, and a 12-month warranty. For a blend of convenience, durability, and style, Whale Motors cover is a top-tier choice that elevates your truck game. Number 1. Oedro Tri-Fold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover. The Oedro Tri-Fold Soft Truck Bed Cover is a stellar choice for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500/GMC Sierra 1500 owners with a 5.8-foot fleet-side bed, not compatible with Carbon Pro beds. Crafted from double-layer PVC with a sleek vinyl finish, this cover offers robust UV protection and tensile strength, ensuring durability against snow, dust, and sun. Its tri-fold design combines security and convenience, transforming your truck bed into a secure, weatherproof trunk with a reliable tailgate lock. Installation is a snap, no tools or drilling required, thanks to pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps. The aerodynamic design boosts fuel efficiency, saving you at the pump. Easy to install and stylish, it enhances your truck's look while protecting cargo. For a perfect blend of functionality, durability, and value, Oedro's Tri-Fold cover is a top pick for truck owners seeking quality and ease. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.